Okay, we're going to start the notes for 2D, where we're going to mix all of the different kinds of angles that we've talked about this level. So I've already filled out the first couple of columns. Basically, the type of angle that you have is dependent on where the location is. So I'm going to break this down just a little bit here, and if you could go through and fill that out. Go ahead and pause the video and fill those out, and then we'll talk about them quick. So you can see here the outside vertex, okay, and that determines what we're going to do. This one is on the center. It's called a central angle, okay, and so forth. So this first one, the formula, you can see all of them have an x degree, and then they have arcs. This one is n degrees. The outside arc here is f. Here's another n and an f. So we're going to build all of our formulas based on those letters. So this one has actually two different ones. We have f minus n divided by 2, okay, because it's an outside one, we find the difference. Or I can take n plus x has to equal 180. That was that very last one we did in the section or cell 2C, and that was just a little shortcut. But the main formula would be this, where I'm finding the difference between the two arcs and dividing by 2. This is a central angle, so n, I should put x equals, this one I should put x equals, sorry. Okay, that's a central angle. Those two angles and arcs are going to be exactly the same. In this case, x is going to equal 1/2 n, okay, which is also sometimes written as just n divided by 2. The outside ones, f minus n divided by 2. Now this one does not have that shortcut. The shortcut is only if I have two tangents. Here's an inside one. The inside angle are the two arcs, in this case n and f. I find their sum and divide by 2. An inscribed angle, the angle is going to equal 1/2 of the arc, or n divided by 2. And on this one, the outside one, x is going to equal f minus n divided by 2, finding the difference and dividing by 2. So take a minute and look those over, and then we'll do a couple of notes and practice on that.